just want to show people that honestly you can make some pretty cool stuff with some pretty cheap materials.
What you want. Come on. What you want.
Okay, so let's talk about my channel here. The biggest purpose of my channel wasn't just to make entertaining videos, it was to actually teach people how to do things or teach people what I've learned how to do. So, and I've always get tons of questions whether it comes to uh, basics of paper mache or how to do this and how to do that. And I have a lot of videos that really answer a lot of those questions. So, if you come to my homepage, Unhinged Productions homepage, and you come down, first thing you see is just kind of the videos as I make them that YouTube throws up in succession of when they were uploaded. If you scroll on down, the first thing you'll see is a playlist that I put together called The Basics of Paper Mache or Paper Mache Basics. There's a video on how to make paper clay, a video on paper mache paste, ideas for armatures, basic kind of tools that are used and what type of paper, and so on. These right here are good videos for the person who's never really done this before and they're kind of wanting to get into it. Hopefully, I've done these well enough that it makes it easier for people to understand how to start and how to get into this hobby because it's affordable and a lot of fun. Then, if you're looking for more ideas, down here under tutorials, this is all these different tutorials that I put together making different things. This is a second generation pumpkin. Here's how to build a groundbreaker. See, these tutorials are set up. That's a four video. This is 4 videos. How to make a tombstone from paper mache. That's 3 videos. The Evil Joker's 5. There's one on how to make a bat from for Halloween. There's a tutorial on the owl. There's a pumpkin snowman. There's a spell book. There's zombie. Those videos are probably a little less entertaining in a way, but they're specifically set up as how-to tutorials. They're either 3 steps or 4 steps. Hardly any of those are a single step tutorial. They all basically start off with first videos focusing on building the armature, what I made the armature with, and all the steps to get the armature solid from that point. The second video is usually along the lines of detail, which whatever finishing details or using paper clay or whatever it is to get all the finalized detail on the prop. And then the third video is generally always sealing it and painting it and bringing the paint to life and what specific painting techniques I used for the prop. So that's generally how those go. Those are all really there as a true how-to. So hopefully by the time you watch those or you go along that you have a true understanding and can actually make whatever this was at home on your own. And that really was the purpose of kind of putting this stuff together and doing it from the get-go was true tutorial type stuff. Now this channel's evolved into other things, trying to be a little more entertaining and having some more fun with those videos. I still plan on probably putting together true tutorial type of stuff, but more than likely the true step-by-step tutorials for those people who are really interested in a video that kind of holds your hand all the way through it. Those types of videos are going to be moved more to a Patreon style setting, something like that. But the videos that I produce for the channel anyway, if you've got a bit of an understanding already and done a lot of it, you're going to be able to pick up on and just see what I did through the video and create your own anyway. I just wanted to show you what the channel was really all about and what was actually on the channel, because I get questions all the time with people who, hey, how do you do your paste, or how do you do this, or how do you do that? All those questions, and a lot of those questions that are out there already have the answers. They're just on the channel. I really try to put a lot of stuff on the channel to bring everybody along the way, to try to teach. That was the entire kind of point of the whole deal. Yeah, if you like the content, you want to see more, or you want to help me move this channel further along, to do more cool creative things, maybe get some different equipment other than, you know, filming everything, because literally what I'm looking at, that's an iPhone. This is a phone. Everything's filmed on iPhones and crap like that. So maybe we can get some cameras and just, you know, just anyway, in the description below, you can find a link to my Patreon down there. If you would like to support and add further on, that'd be awesome. You can also find a link to the Etsy store that's got, well, this is a dingy old shirt, but Etsy store's down there. If you want to buy a shirt, that's all there. Other than that, all your views really help. And, you know, if you just give a like or thumbs up, whatever, share this video to other people that you know that are creative and might enjoy this type of thing, share it to them too, because all that stuff, as much as you might not think it, it does help, and it does generate some buzz. I just want to show people that honestly you can make some pretty cool stuff with some pretty cheap materials, and it lasts for a while. That's the goal. You don't have to have all the latex and fiberglass and yada yada yada. You don't have to spend the money on all that. For the most part, so until then, keep making something.